Guys, we're on a roof that's going to get a repair from Eustis. It's already been repaired by another company. I'm going to show you what that looks like because it's mind-blowing. They actually charged the homeowner for this repair and then left and said, you're all good, we fixed the roof. So check this out. Right here is the repair from another roofing company, but that's where they've gone wrong. It's not actually a roofing company. They're actually a marketing company. Big difference between a real roofing company and marketing companies. They don't know nothing about roofing. They just know how to sell the job, how to market their company. But when it comes to doing the work, that's where they fall short. We are a real roofing company. We know exactly what we're doing. We have the machines and the equipment and the people to do it. So let me show you what we're gonna do here. So first of all, we're gonna take this all out because all this is a peel and stick underlayment that goes under the shingles or in some valleys. It's not made for this. Look how it just pulls right off. This is not going to do a thing. So what we need to do is get in here. We've got some issues here with the flashing. It's actually rusted. It's just got some paint on it. So we're going to fix that. We got some issues up in here. So I'm going to put all new flashing in here. We're going to make it at our shop. So we're going to make it specific for this house, but we're also going to use a white flashing so it looks nice, not just a Galvaloon gray, nasty looking flashing from the ground. We want this to look good. A lot of times when you do repairs on sections like this, you can actually see where the repair is done because the shingles will fade from the sun or they are dirty from debris or algae, stuff like that. So it's going to be kind of an eyesore. So what I suggest in this area is just do this whole little area because it's a small little roof. It's going to be quicker, faster, and more efficient and better for the homeowner. So what we'll do is we'll just do this section right here, recap it right here. That way we're not tying into an old roof system. So we're going to take those shingles off, we're going to redo it, and then we're going to reflash this wall here because we're real roofers. We know what we're doing. This is the junk that the other company used to stop the leak and then charge the homeowner. So we're going to rip that out, do it the right way. My job is to protect you so that you can find the right roofer, so that you have the information to know what you're doing as a homeowner or to give you some of those things. I'm not going to tell you who did the repair. All I can say is they left their mark on this job site. Most roofing companies, they only know how to replace the roof. They don't have repair guys. And you don't always need a roof. You might just need a repair. So I'm not going to try to sell you on a new roof when all you need is a repair. We've got one of the largest repair departments in the country. These guys were voted best roofing company of 2021 because of these guys. The guys putting the roof on, the guys doing the repair, they're special. They're actually rare to have this large of a repair department. If you're looking for a re-roof, that's one of the questions I would ask your roofer. I would ask them, tell me about your repair department. Tell me some of the names, some of the guys, why you have these guys in doing repairs. Tell me some details. I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of sales guys are going to know nothing about their repair department because it doesn't exist, or they might not only have but one guy. Here's the problem with that. You get a new roof, who's coming to fix it if you have a problem? If they're not experts at roofing, they put a new roof on, it fails, how are they going to fix it? With us, if something goes wrong, we got the people to back it up. As we're back on this job, the repair is finished and it's done the right way now. That's why you need expert roofers and not marketing companies doing roof repairs. I want to show you what it looks like. We went ahead in this whole little area. So all this has been replaced. We replaced the flashing over here. If you saw the repair in the beginning of the video, they just took a piece of peel and stick and put it over the shingles. That's not going to do anything because the issue was here in the flashing. So down in here, the flashing was all rusted, pitted, and in bad shape. And then we added a counter flashing right here. So here's your counter flashing, goes over your regular flashing, and it's white, so it looks really nice because you have a white wall here. Those are details that matter. Those are details that an expert roofer is going to know what to do. Kynar finished metal, that's going to last a lot longer. It's not going to rust and get pitted. It's going to be here for a long time. Actually, the next roof, they'll be able to reuse that. That's the difference between marketing and a real roofing company.